Hello guys. In this video, we are going to solve a small problem that usually occurs in Visual Studio Code when we try to type something incorrect. There is a weird bell which Visual Studio Code pops up. I'll show you what it is. Let's say if I write something here. Yeah, you just heard something. Yeah, you can see you just heard a bell, and this becomes very annoying at times. You can see when I do backspace, it just keeps on coming. So in order to fix this, all you have to do is go to settings and search for sound, and all you have to do is turn off all these. These are already off in my PC. All you have to do is turn it off in yours also. And the one that I had kept this on deliberately, line as error, just to show you the sound. And I'll turn it off now. And once I turn it off, you can, if I try to, do it again, you can see there is no sound now. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you got the fix.